So when we first reached out to IMS, we were looking at IMS essentially to help us install the system, the Centrac system. But really, eventually, they've grown into much more than that. Because, I mean, essentially now, they help us stay in tune with the latest technology coming down the pipe, looking at, what should we be evaluating in the lab. And then ultimately, it's difficult to manage several integrators with this type of platform, especially if you're looking at standardizing across the health system. There are aspects to the platform that involve modifying maps and keeping track of where different IR systems are and things like that. And you really can't, it's difficult to have several different integrators trying to manage that type of platform. And we've already run into, on a couple of occasions, into a scenario where one integrator removed something that wasn't supposed to be removed, and it throws off the entire system. So it's important, I think, once you standardize on a platform, to standardize on an integrator as well for something like this. I mean, IMS dates back to, I think, way before I joined Henry Ford. IMS was working with Henry Ford on various technologies, ranging from workstations on wheels to many other initiatives. But in the RTLS space specifically, we engaged with IMS with the Centrac platform, and IMS really took that ball and really ran with it. I mean, initially, it was intended to be just a physical install. Hey, can you install the system for us? But ultimately, IMS went out. They got their technicians certified on the platform, and now they're working with us on facilitating discussions about roadmap. Where's the Centrac product headed, to ensure that we're ahead of the ball in that space as well. Because it does change very quickly. I mean, from over the last 6 months, there have been several changes to these platforms, significant changes.